Hi, I'm Tom Quayle.
Hey, I'm David Beebee. The two-point system is the modern, efficient way to visualize the fretboard, and we want to unlock this system for you with our ultimate fretboard visualization course and Solo, a dedicated fretboard visualization practice app.
Our unique two-point system will finally break you out of the box, since there are no boxes, patterns, or mindless fingerings to learn.
Throughout this course, we provide you with the tools to finally see the fretboard with a level of freedom not possible solely using 3-note per string, caged, or pentatonic box methods.
If you've ever tried and failed to memorize the many thousands of scale, chord, and arpeggio shapes traditionally taught to guitar players, struggle to play through chord changes, or become lost on the neck, this is the course for you.
With over 5 hours of tuition, we clearly explain the two-point system and how to methodically apply and practice it with the Solo app. Starting with the basics, we show you how to instantly find any note on the neck, then teach you our incredibly powerful two-point shapes, using them to effortlessly see and construct scales, chords, and arpeggios in real time.
Each section of the course comes with a fully developed practice routine, utilizing the powerful exercises within Solo. You can work at your own pace and keep track of your progress, so by the end of the course, you'll be able to use the two-point system to
understand the fundamental geography of the fretboard with incredible efficiency,
find and outline chord tones and arpeggios anywhere on the fretboard starting from any finger,
see and play any scale starting from any finger or any chord tone anywhere on the fretboard,
outline any series of chord changes using chord tones, extensions, and chord scales,
and push yourself forward with a lifetime of interesting practice material no matter what level you're at.
Combined with the power of the Solo app, our ultimate fretboard visualization course provides you with all the tools you need to understand your instrument like never before.